Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how you can export text without the background. So I'm just going to create here a new custom template, and here I'm just going to add some text. So I'll write here subscribe, and I'll increase the text, and now I have to remove the background. If you want the text transparent, export your text with a transparent background, absolutely make sure you remove the background. I forgot at first, and you'll not get a transparent background. Of course, you want to add your text some drop, some effects. You can also do that as well. And then now you can go to File, Export, and Export As. And then here I'm just make sure you have the format PNG, and then you select also this box. You make sure you check the transparent box, and then you click on Export. And then here you click on Save. And then here in Files we have the transparent background, as you can see. So yeah, it works without any issues. Just make sure you remove the background. If you have a background here, a solid background, this will not work if you have a solid background. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.